Forests are not limited to being a vast green cover, but they have economic and industrial significance. They also prevent soil degradation and aeration, protect water spring, and maintain the stability of mountains. In the forest, predator animals like wolf, lion, and leopard. But what if we go back to the old forest where there are predator extinct animals? The first animal is mammoth. Mammoths were herbivores. They are eating planet. More specifically, they are eat grass. The mammoth, or the behemoth, is a genus of elephant mammals of the elephant family, a huge extinct elephant that lived in a century Europe a million years ago. The reason for the extinction of the mammoth is climate change. The second animal is saber-toothed tiger. They are called saber-toothed tigers or black saber-toothed tigers, found 55 million years ago. The saber-toothed cat is a cunning animal and can open its mouth at an angle of 120 degrees like a lion. And it's believed that the extinction of the saber-toothed cat may be linked to the decline and extinction of large herbivorous which were replaced by other smaller and more resilient animals such as deer, making it unadapted with these animals.